Good morning, YouTube. Financial Freedom with Velvet here. I came on here to make this video because I just saw a comment on my channel. I just logged into my YouTube channel and I saw a comment. Somebody wanted to know how long did it take me to make $10 on the survey sites I'm a part of. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to talk about two survey sites that you guys can join and how fast it took me to make $10. Okay, so I've been doing survey sites since 2014. The first survey company I started with was Vendor Research, and the cash out for that is $50. Now, it took me a month to make that only because I didn't work the site every single day. Okay, I did work it every day, but there's times where you run out of surveys and there's days where you don't get nothing for the surveys. Okay, and $50 is a lot to get to. With branded surveys, you get to 1,000 points and you get $10. Now, this did take me a month to do only because when I first heard about it, I didn't jump on it and start working it. Okay, so I'm going to jump on this site and show you guys. This is the first site I'm going to talk about. I'm going to talk about branded surveys, and I'm going to talk about another survey site that I work with called Survey Junkie. And there's a difference between the two. I'm going to show you what those differences are. Okay, so let me start in. This is free to join. You guys don't have to pay anything. If you do trial offers, you do have to pay for the trial offers. But the trial offers help you get your points a lot faster, in my opinion. So here we are on my dashboard. Okay, when you first start, you're going to be a branded elite member. And basically what that means is right here in the middle, when you first start, it's going to say pending. Okay, so you have your approved, you're going to have pending, and you're going to have until payout. Right now, I don't have a pending showing up because I'm a silver member. Okay, once I get to a gold member, I'm going to have pending. What that means is approved is your points that you've done and they've been approved. Okay, your points when you complete a survey, when you first start with branded surveys, it's going to have a pending in the middle. Pending means you have to get it approved before it can go into your balance. Okay, so it's going to take 2 weeks. Every time you complete a survey on here, it's going to take 2 weeks before that gets transferred over to your approved status. But don't worry, you guys get disqualification points up to 5 points on this site. 5 points. Okay? And you can do other things on here. You can go to featured partners, partner surveys where you can do other things to make up the points. Okay? These are and we have answer poll, which you can do this every day, and it's 5 points. Okay, what's your favorite breakfast food? Let's answer it. Cereal. Cereal is mine. You just hit submit. Go back up here. Refresh the page. And as you can see, I've got 178 points. That's equivalent to $1.78. Okay? This shows you how many points you have until you cash out. So 822 points left until I can cash out $10, I mean. 1,000 points on here gives you $10. So let me show you the payment option. Hold on one second. Okay, so I chose PayPal because I like to PayPal cash. You can choose a bank. You can choose BPay, Branded Pay, Red, donation, I mean. There's tons of ways you can cash out on here. Look at this. Gift cards for days. Amazon gift card. Apple iTunes, Apple Music, Applebee's. These are all in alphabetical order. You guys can go through these if you want later on if you decide to sign up. But I personally like this site because I've made money on here. Let me show you guys my point. Let me show you what I've done on here so far, so you guys can see that I'm not lying. These are all the surveys I've completed. Okay. See, money redeemed. August 8th, $10. That's one. Pay attention, you guys. I want you to see all the red highlighted ones is my PayPal cash outs. So far we saw one, right? Okay, so let's go to this page. I've been working this site, as you guys can see. It'll show you when I signed up too. And you do run out of surveys on here. So when the survey, I can tell you one thing. When you sign up with Brandon Surveys, you always have surveys. It'll tell you in your email that you have a survey. So Branded Surveys, you always have surveys. But once you run out of surveys, give it like an hour or two before you go back on and try to do more to let the surveys load up. Okay? That's the second PayPal cash out. And that was July 25th. Second PayPal cash out. See, y'all, I did all these surveys, you guys. Most of these are disqualification points. Okay? You get between 1 to 5 disqualification points. Okay? The most I've gotten is 5 points. Because you can get up to 5 points. These are all look at this, you guys. I've been working the site. Okay? This shows you, so far we saw 2 payouts, right? 2 PayPal cash outs. Okay, so we're going to go on here. Keep going. Those were 2 so far. See how many times I've cashed out on here. That's 3 times. I've cashed out 3 times June 29th. Sorry, June 29th. And you saw that was 3 times I cashed out. 3 times so far. So we're going to keep going and see if there's any other payouts. Hold on one second. Let's go back here to the PayPal cash out. I don't know if I can click on it. Let me see if I can click on that. Yeah, I can. Okay. So it's not showing up. Sorry about that. Not showing up, but you guys get the point. I've cashed out quite a few times on this site. 3 times so far. The next cash out is going to be, I believe, 4. My 4th cash out. So the only thing that there's a pro to this and there's a con. The pros is you get disqualification points. The con is you have to wait if you complete a survey, you have to wait up to 2 weeks before that goes into your pending status, to your approved balance. Okay, that's the one thing I don't like about it. But right now I don't have a pending, so I could be making 1,000 points. Like I said, I'm slowly but surely working the site right now. Okay, so I'm gonna take you over to a site that I think you guys should really start using a lot of. Survey Junkie. This one has no pending points. Let me log in real quick. No pending points. So I'm going to log in and show you guys. You get your points every time you complete a survey on here. You get your points right away. And I've cashed out 4 times on this site already. 4 times. Which means I made $40. So right here, once this thing fills up to the top, you get 1,000 points. Right now I'm at 24 points, $3.24. Right here it shows you. Redeemable right now is $3.24. It says redemption is available at $10 minimum. 1,000 points is $10 on this site. Okay? It took me, I'd say about a month, 2-3 weeks, only because I didn't start working the site right away. Okay? You got to come on here and start working this, you guys, if you want to make the money. Okay? There is I don't believe there's a referral program for this. You just go to surveyjunkie.com and sign up. There are videos on it, and I highly recommend check out. There's a YouTube channel I want you guys to check out. Every penny counts. This guy is the reason I signed up with Survey Junkie and Branded Surveys. He has really good tips and tricks and a ton of websites you guys can use to make money online. So check out Every Penny Counts. Thank you for watching this video. I want you to like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can get updates every time I make a video. Take care.